My name's Inko. I'm a project manager with the consult team. Been an Adaptavist for, I want to say, a little over a year, and I've been using Monday.com for only 2 of those weeks, but it's been a pretty good 2 weeks.
Hi, my name is Yaisa. I am the product manager of the Product Discovery Accelerator team. I've been using it for a few months now.
I've used a Monday.com a little bit before. So when I was working with Brew, they were using it to organize a few of their projects, some marketing activities that they were doing. So I did look around the tool a little bit.
I have not used Monday.com before. My first introduction was actually through Adaptavist when I heard that people were using it. Specifically with Monday.com, I have focused on the task management. So I've used a lot of the columns, the different types of customized columns to help me organize my work, as well as the automation for dragging and dropping things into different sections without having to actually do it manually. So I divide everything up into swim lanes, and based on a status or a change of date, the automation brings the task into different swim lanes.
What I've been doing with it is just running some of my projects that are actually ongoing with her clients. I've been kind of replicating them on Monday.com just to see is there any benefits that I can see on running it on Monday versus on Jira, which is what I typically do. And the answer is, yeah, a little bit.
I've been using mostly boards with the main table, Gantt, and chart view. And I've also used work docs and comments. I love work docs.
So I've used the basic creating tasks feature. So I actually, when working here in South Africa for Gravity Works, I created some of the tasks that I had to do here that I had in my Trello board. I created them in Monday.com to kind of see how that would feel like.
The big thing that I'm enjoying about Monday.com right now, actually, maybe this is too in type, but I'm a big fan of the Gantt chart.
I love the automations. So that's what I love about Monday.com. Automations make my life easy. Compared to other task management or project management tools, I think the automation parts with the paid plan makes a huge difference in my productivity.
The fact that it's very visual and intuitive. Of course, it needs to have the necessary features to be a useful tool, which it has, but I like how they've made a work operating system fun to look at.
How intuitive it was to use. I did the onboarding that they had. Once you get into the tool, they show a little video that in like 3 minutes show you how to get started on creating tasks and organizing tasks and creating a backlog and transitioning tasks. I'll go back to what I said before, intuitive. I think that's the word that I used to describe it.
In one word, how would I describe my Monday.com experience? Easy.
Easy?
My Monday experience in one word is interesting a cop-out? I think so. So maybe I'll say Monday experience in one word is I might just go with interesting. I'm really sorry, I can't think of one right now, but I've enjoyed it overall, and so I'm gonna keep working on it and see what comes out of that.